I will explain how to edit and delete expenses. At this moment, I'm in the financial menu under Accounts Payable. For this example, I will address the editing of an expense. I click on the edit icon represented by a pencil in order to make changes. I modify the expense amount and add a new item, as an example. After making the changes, I confirm the edit. Now, let's consider a different situation. Suppose a partial payment has been recorded for an expense related to a product purchase. In this case, it is not possible to make edits. To resolve this issue, you must first delete the paid installment. By filtering the information to show only that specific supplier and choosing to display all records, I locate the paid installment. By clicking the trash can icon, I delete the paid installment, which causes the expense to return to the payable status. Once this step is completed, I can proceed with the desired changes. Once the modifications are completed, I confirm the performed edit. I will also illustrate the process of deleting a fixed expense. The procedure is simple. I click the trash can icon. This will return the expense to the payable status. If the payable expense is deleted, the expense will be permanently removed.